The iris is responsible for controlling the pupil. It controls the amount of light that goes into the eye. The iris is made up of connective tissue, smooth muscle fibers, and pigments. The combination of these structures gives the ridges, valleys, and zigzag patterns that's in your iris. The iris is divided into two main parts, the pupillary zone and the ciliary zone. The pupillary zone is the inner region. It's on the boundary, controls the boundaries of the pupil. The ciliary zone is the rest of the iris. Everyone's iris is different. No two people have the same iris pattern. The human iris forms during the 3rd month of gestation. The structures that gives its pattern stop by the 8th month of gestation. Pigment color continues into the 1st year of birth. Similar to the fingerprint, the iris is unique. Fingerprints can change from a person's job, such as someone that deals with paper, like a secretary. A bricklayer or someone that has undergone chemo treatment can also have fingerprints that change. But your fingerprints will grow back with time. As we get older, the pupil tends to be smaller because the iris is less reactive. Color of your eyes may change as we get older too. I am using tracing paper to show different positions of the eyelid. I'm putting this over the work so we don't change what we have already. Wow, or surprise if the eyelid is above the eyeball. Interested if the eyelid is barely touching the eyeball and not covering the iris. Normal if the eyelid is resting a little bit below the eye. Drowsy if the eyelid is in the middle of the iris. Asleep if you can't see the iris at all.